but these are details that we have with us about sources indicating that this is actually a non-motorable road and forces are treading carefully as they worry and they are cautious because they think this could be a possible trap that has been laid down. Area is now completely cordoned off, is what we know. 2 to 3 terrorists, in fact, came in military fatigues, firing indiscriminately on tourists who were enjoying a horse ride in the meadows of Pahalgam. A situation where tourists were enjoying this time in this area. This is the tourist season in Jammu and Kashmir, and that's where they were. These were tourists from Gujarat, is what Mir initially told us. We'll try and go back to Mir in a second from now, but this is the information at this point in time. Additional CRPF quick reaction teams, which is quad, have been dispatched to the site of the Pahalgam terror attack. According to initial reports, intelligence and security agency sources, the suspicion is that this could be, in fact, all right, let's just, there is a suspicion about this being the involvement, about there being an involvement, I beg your pardon, of the TRF terrorist outfit. This is the information coming in at this point in time. The updated information as follows for our viewers. The attackers were dressed in police army uniforms. The number is reported to be between 2 to 3. Sources indicate that the attack was specifically carried out to target tourists. 2 to 3 terrorists came in military fatigues. I'm going to go back to Mir for more details on that. Mir, what more can you tell us? The attack, I understand the police say, has taken place at about 2:30, which is 2 hours ago approximately. The quick reaction teams also dispatched to the site.
Yes, Neha, it has happened between 2:30 and 3 p.m. And now we're getting reports that these militants were in army fatigue. So that tells you that they were masquerading as army men and they were moving in that area. They have these obviously are sitting ducks. These targets were tourists who cannot fight back. It seems they've chosen their target and they have fired on them. As we've been saying, these tourists were on horses. They were enjoying horse ride, many in that meadow, and one group was targeted. Indiscriminate firing has happened on them with assault rifles, most probably AK-47 rifles, and in this 6 have been injured, 3 of whom are said to be critical. We're getting unconfirmed reports that one has succumbed. He died on the spot while they did shift him to the hospital, but doctors declared him brought dead. Now, there are 2 others who are critical. They have been shifted to Srinagar for specialized treatment. This group, majority is said to be from Gujarat. They were tourists from Gujarat, while some locals who were poniwalas have also been injured. The locals immediately came in and shifted the injured to the hospital. And right now, as I've been saying that the Pahalgam area is full of tourists. It was absolutely chock-a-block because tourism season overall right now is flourishing, and people are in panic. Tourists are in panic, and the locals, the hoteliers and others are trying to reach out to them, taking them to safety and trying to really instill sense of security in them. So that is what is happening right now as far as the security force operation is concerned, as is the SOP, quick reaction teams of the police, CRPF, army. Army has a Rashtra Rifle Battalion, many companies in Pahalgam. They have all rushed to the location. The intent is to cordon off the area and launch an effective search and combing operation. Now, the location is such that after carrying out this attack, these militants may have slipped into the forest area. There are thick jungles around, and that seems to be the intent to shoot and scoot. But counter operations are underway right now. But definitely this attack will have its impact on the tourism season. As we have been saying, Kashmir has been witnessing bumper spring tourism. If you talk of a place or a garden like Tulip Garden, it has seen record attendance of 8 lakh visitors, tourists this year, which is double to last year. So that obviously is an indicator of the kind of tourism Kashmir has been witnessing. And this attack seems to be a direct attack on that tourism season, because we know one incident in the past, it also has happened, it can really cause a lot of damage to this particular business, which is directly piece is prerequisite for tourism. So that is the latest I can share with you. Right now, Pahalgam has been, in fact, the entry and exit routes of Pahalgam have been sealed. and security forces everywhere. Sneha?
Be with us, Meet. I'll come back to you in a moment from now. I'm going to bring in Kamal also, getting in more details. Kamaljeet Sandhu is with us. Kamal, what more can you tell us as far as your sources within the intelligence are concerned about this attack?
One, that the attack happened at around 2:30.
Right.
There was also information and intelligence that there was movement of Lashkar terrorists in Baisar, but this had been coming in for the past few months or so. This is what our sources indicate. This is an area where which is very popular with the tourists. This is also non-motorable road, so that is why these tourists were on horses. What we've been told is the firing, and there were injuries not only to tourists but also to some of the horses there. We've also been told the entire area has been cordoned. Sources indicate this could well be a trap. We've also been told that 2 to 3 suspected terrorists were wearing combat uniform, which is a military sort of a uniform, and this is where they opened indiscriminate fire at around 2:30, after which obviously everything went helter-skelter. Now this is an area which is extremely popular, and obviously the entire region was looking up to a hot tourist season as such, with the numbers really going in, but this is a huge setback, not just to the security setup but also to the tourist season in Jammu and Kashmir in particular, because Pahalgam is an extremely popular destination, and here it is. What it seems is that the focus which has been on Jammu region so far has come back to Kashmir again. And remember, Pahalgam coming not just under scanners but a big terror attacks, especially scaring the tourists away at this point of time, where Jammu Kashmir was looking at a full packed house this tourist season.